We're going to fix the winding stem tube on a watch. Winding stem tube will press right into where the winding stem is. Spin off the back of the watch, remove the back. To remove the winding stem, there's usually a screw near the winding stem itself or a button that you push. In this case, we'll loosen up the screw, remove the winding stem, remove the anti-magnetic ring, drop out the movement. With the case opened up, this is where the winding stem tube will go. Here's the original winding stem tube. Here's a close-up of that damaged tube. To straighten it out, we'll put it on the tweezers and just spin it until it's all rounded out again. We'll take a metal rod that's the same shape, put it on there, and just continue to work it until it's completely round again. With a small file, we'll remove the burrs. Now everything's back to the correct shape. Clean everything with rubbing alcohol. Mix up some epoxy. We'll put a little bit on the stem. Set the stem into place. Make sure it's lined up perfectly straight before you press it in with a piece of wood. Just lightly tap it and just make sure it goes in straight. Once it starts to go in, you can just take a piece of wood and press it in. While the glue is soft, wipe off the excess. Now everything is nice and clean and flush. We'll clean up all the pieces, reinstall the movement, put in the anti-magnetic ring, add the crown and the stem, tighten up the screw that holds in the crown and stem, reinsert the back. Now make sure everything works. When we pull out the crown, we're able to set everything. When we push it back in, we're able to wind it. The new crown stem is in and everything's working real nice.